Star Wars fans can look forward to some familiar faces in the newest instalment of the hit series. This photo shows an actor's reading for Star Wars Episode VII. The cast includes originals Mark Hamill as Luke Skywalker, alongside Carrie Fisher as Princess Leia and Harrison Ford
Andy
as Han
Serkis
Solo.
needs no introduction to fans of sci-fi and fantasy, even if you might not recognize him. The master of motion capture, Serkis has played Gollum, Caesar in Rise of the Planet of the Apes, and King Kong, and will likely put on the mocap suit once again to portray some kind of otherworldly creature, or creatures. His casting was one of the biggest surprises today,